Hi everybody, this is Zen from Team Inspired Analyst. This is a small tutorial on how you can get free access to our Diamond Tier, including the Great Civic Challenge as well. So once you have joined our Discord server, please scroll down and find free Forex access. Click on that channel and there will be 3 steps. You need to sign up with the Xness with our affiliate link and complete your KYC verification and deposit first time $1,000. That's the minimum requirement set by Xness itself. So once this page open, please click on register. A new page with all the create an account will open up. Just input your email, password, and make sure the partner code is under our partner, which will be 40MUM98FWT, and complete your registration. Do the KYC and deposit $1,000. And once you have done that, the email you have used to sign it up, come back to our Discord, click on verify account, and it will ask for your email. Just input the email you have used to sign up the Xness with our referral and submit, and the bot will give you access to the Forex channel, including the gold signals, gold scalp signals, and Civic challenge signals as well. Thank you.